there, my super shoppers. Today is Monday, April the 26th. And you see my girl down here. She's been shopping. Where do you like to go shopping? I like to go to Target. Tell me, what's one of your favorite stores? I like that one too. What do you think we're doing today in social studies? We will identify ways people exchange goods and services. We learned those goods and services words last week, but here's a new word. Say it with me, please. Exchange. Nice. We'll learn what that word means today. How? First, we will read a book. You can't buy a dinosaur with a dime. Then illustrate and label 3 new vocabulary words. How many words do I have to draw today? 3. Why? We will understand different ways to exchange goods and services. Like I said, those words are from last week. Say them one more time. Goods, services. And look at my girl. Do you think she just bought some goods or some services? What do you think? Did you say goods? Bravo, bravo. Remember, goods are things you can touch and use. Those are probably clothes or toys or food in those bags. You can touch and use them. We'll review more goods and services after we watch our video. You can't buy a dinosaur with a dime. Here we go. Harriet Seifert.
You can't buy a dinosaur with a dime. By Harry.
Pause. How much money is a dime worth? $10? Oh, no. A dime is worth 10 cents. You can't buy a dinosaur with a dime. What could you buy with a dime? What's 10 cents? Maybe a piece of bubble gum? Maybe. But you definitely can't buy a dinosaur. How much do you think a dinosaur costs? Let's find out.
Harriet Seifert. Clink, clink, clinkety clink. Money in the bank makes your brain thinkety think. I have 10 quarters, 7 dimes, and 6 nickels.
Ooh.
Pete has $3.50. Pete has nickels, quarters, dimes. He'd like to buy a toy. If he can pay for what he wants, he'll be a happy boy. Mom says, Pete, the money's yours to spend at Harry's store. If you choose to spend it all, then you'll have to save some more. Pete says, I counted my money. I have $3.50. Pete finds a scary dinosaur.
All right, so Pete went to the store, ready to spend his money.
His green is sour pickles. He wonders how much it will cost in quarters, dimes, and nickels. The lady says that would be $3 plus 20 cents tax. He had $3.50 minus $3.20. Pete has $3.50. His new dinosaur costs $3 plus 20 cents tax. How much will he have left over? $0.30.
Good job.
Pete's bank is almost empty now. He puts it on a shelf. He has a brand new dinosaur and 30 cents of total wealth.
All right, so he did get the dinosaur. It's not a real dinosaur. It's a little toy dinosaur. And how much did that dinosaur cost? Do you remember? $3.20. Nice. But he had $3.50. So he had a little bit left. Where did he put his money? In a little bank. Do you have a little bank to put your money in? Why do I have to put my bank in a money? To keep it safe. It's very important.
Pete holds Tyrannosaurus Rex. He names him Ugly Jack. Then he reads a comic book, If the Dinosaurs Came Back. wishes for more money. Though he likes his dinosaur, an empty bank feels funny. You'll get $2, says his dad, if you clean the yard. Then you can start to save again. The work is not too hard.
All right, he wants more money. So his dad says, you got to go do some work. He said, you can go clean the yard for $2. Would you clean the yard for $2? Now, if you're cleaning the yard, is that a good or a service? Cleaning the yard, show me thumbs up. Is that a good? Or thumbs down, is that a service? That's work. Like he said, that's some hard work. That's a service. You can earn money when you do services. Is he going to do it?
He carries out old papers
Go, Pete, go.
and sweeps the dirty floor. He sorts through the recycling and puts it by the door. Here are 8 new quarters, his dad says with a smile. Pete is glad to get them. He'll save them for a while.
Sorry, Miss Kitty was calling. Back to the story.
The quarters, says his dad. Pete has 30 cents left over. Then he makes $2, all in quarters, from cleaning the yard.
Go, Pete, go.
How much money does he have?
Total. What's our total? $2.30.
$2.30. When Pete gets his allowance, he puts it in his bank. I have lots of change. Here's your allowance for the week. 5 dimes, 5 nickels, clickety clinkety clank. Lucky Pete, he finds a dime on his way to school.
Ooh, lucky Pete.
He sells 6 baseball cards to Kate, who thinks the cards are cool.
All right, now here Pete is selling baseball cards to Kate. Now think about that. Baseball cards. Would that be a good or a service he's selling? Is he giving Kate a good, a thing, or work, a service? Show me with your thumbs. What are baseball cards? Goods or services? They're goods. You can touch them. You can use them. They are goods. So he's selling his goods. And if he sells his cards, what's Kate going to give him for the cards? Money. When you sell something, you give a good or a service, and the other person gives you money. Have you ever sold anything to someone? Have you ever done a service for someone and they paid you money?
I'll give you 5 cents for each. He has $3.05. He sells 6 baseball cards to Kate. She gives him 5 cents for each card, which is 30 cents. How much does he have altogether?
What's our total now?
$3.35.
He's getting that money.
He puts the money in his bank. 6 nickels and a dime. 40 cents goes through the slots, 1 coin at a time. Pete hears the car keys jingling. Dad's walking out the door. I'd like to come along, Pete says, to shop at Harry's store.
He's going shopping. And now Pete goes shopping to buy something. Is he going to give away his money or is he going to get more money? How does that work when you go shopping? If you buy a toy, do you give them money or do they give you money? If you get a toy, you have to give them money for the toy. That's how buying things works. You get something, but you give away your money. Let's see, what do you think Pete's going to buy at the store now? Another dinosaur?
Can you count out coins equal to the amount of money Pete has? The store is full of pretty things, all lined up row by row.
What's he looking at?
Pete is after dinosaurs and knows just where to go.
More dinosaurs.
A small dino costs $2. Each triceratops is $3. Pete says, a little dinosaur is better for me. Pete makes a tough decision. Dad's waiting at the door. He chooses Stegosaurus and won't spend any more.
Sometimes it's hard to make decisions when you're shopping. Look at him. He has two really cool dinosaurs. He can't have both. He has to decide. You can see one was $2 and one was $3. So he's making a decision to not spend more. He wants to spend less. So which one is less, 2 or 3? 2. He doesn't want to spend all his money. He's trying to be responsible. He does want to buy something, but not use all that he has. So he's giving the lady $2 plus tax, and he'll get him another dinosaur.
That will be $2 plus 15 cents tax. $3.45 minus
Give the money away.
$2.15 equals $1.30.
He still has money left.
Pete carries his own package. Dad says, let's get a snack. And you can bank your money as soon as we get back.
And here's our last page. Here we go. Clink, 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 clinkety. Money saved in a bank makes your brain think thinkety. Look at all his things he has on the table. His dinosaur, he bought it. Now, is that a good or a service? A good. He spent his money to buy new goods. How did he earn that money? By doing the work. Now it's time for you to do some work. We have some new words to learn, so get your journal ready. You need 1. You need 2. And we gotta have a pencil, number 3. When you have these 3 things, come meet me on video 2.